Yes, we have, for the first time, I'm really excited to have Paref. Paref is the one, but Paref here in Antipolo.
What is PAREF again?
That will be October.
No, I mean the
Yeah.
PAREF. What is PAREF?
Paref.
What is
Ito,
that
ito
for?
Paref.
It's a performing arts. What?
Ma'am, hindi ko rin alam ang Paref. Sige, something like that. You don't know what Paref means?
Mami, do you know what is PAREF? Why?
Interview din.
What is Parent Rules Day? So then it means Parents for Education Foundation.
Sorry, hindi ko alam na Paref. Marketing ano lang talaga. Okay.
And hopefully for marketing, also go around the world. You will have that also.
Dito muna kami, one step at a time. It's hard also because there was a time that we were circling around Marikina, something. They had already some marketing na like, tawag doon, network na sila ng rep, network na sila ng stager, something. So, medyo nahirapan din ako. So, that is the part ng challenging thing na experience ko. Kasi, parang feeling parang huli na ba ako kasi sila talaga parang yearly na sila may mga shows. So,
Don't worry, kung hindi po kayo ready. More power.
hoping.
Yes, you need more theater groups like that. Thank you.
Thank you.